Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I'm going to be back on the '89 Jeep Wrangler. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to replace all these incandescent lights in the dash and replace them with the new LEDs. Something I've been wanting to do for quite some time, and I figured this would be a good time to do this, where this is a summertime vehicle and it's currently snowing outside, so I don't mind taking this vehicle down for a while to do this project. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, first thing what we need to do is we need to remove the faceplate for the gauges and the tachometer and speedometer. So it's just a Phillips screwdriver. Now it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, possibly 7 screws. Maybe not that one. Now putting this back in, it almost looks like we're going to want to take this one off before we put this one back in. So, all right, well, there's our bulbs right there. All they are is incandescent bulbs with a little blue rubber thing over them. So we'll go ahead and remove all those. I'm not sure if I'll put those back on the LED ones or not. I'll have to try it out. Well, that was pretty simple for that so far. I'm just going to let that hang down there. Let's go ahead and remove this part here. I don't think I need to remove this piece, so we'll be alright with that. Alright, I took this front panel off, and I'm not sure. I might be able to just reach in behind there and get those ones. In fact, there's one right there. So I might be able to just reach in and get those ones. Those ones are non-removable. There's a wire to them, so I'd have to just pull the plug out, pull the bulb out, plug the new bulb in. And I might be able to do the same thing over here. No, it looks like I'm going to have to take the tachometer off. Alright, so I'm going to pull the tack out, just enough so I can get in there, and I can see both bulbs. There's one right there. As you can see, it's got the incandescent's got that little blue film over it. Pull this one out, and there they are. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my parking lights, and okay, we can see that one of them was blown. So I'm going to pull one of them out, and let's go ahead and put the new LED bulb in, and these have to go in the right direction. See how it's not working? So I'm going to pull it out, turn it around. Oh, that looks nice. Pull this bulb out, put a new LED one in. Again, I just put it in wrong again, so pull it out, turn it around. There it is. Oh wow, this is going to look good already. I can see. Alright, and go ahead and put the bulbs back in the tachometer. There they are. It's going to be kind of hard to show this off until I get them all in and turn the lights out. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the screws back in because this one is all set. This one's going to be a little trickier because I can't pull that out enough because of the speedometer cable. I looked at that earlier. Okay, well, there's always one. If it's not a bolt, it's a bulb that it's going to be tough to get to. So just going to have to finagle my way in there and try to reach it and get it out. So I did. Trick is getting it back in. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my lights back on. And I've got one that's working just like I did on the tachometer. So I'm going to pull that bulb out. Put the new one in. we go. Now try to plug it in. Yeah, that was the worst one. Okay, let's go ahead and pull the bulb out of this one. Okay, that one is right here, so I can get that one. Yeah. Oh wow, this looks really good already. Alright, let's go ahead and put them in the instrument panel here now. And I'll probably wipe this down before I put it all back together. Alright, these ones are a little bit different. These ones here don't have a cord attached to them. These ones here just kind of unplug, and then you plug this back into it like that. So let's take that one out. My lights are on. Plug it in like that. And you're going to have to pay attention to make sure that it's working. Make sure you get it in the right way. Okay, let's turn it around. Okay, that one's working. I'm not sure if this is showing up on camera or not, but boy, it's looking really good. Okay, next one. Seems like I'm putting every one of these in wrong the first time. Now this one here seems to have a little bit of a tab problem, so I'm just going to kind of bend it up a little bit. Both sides here, it's just not making a good contact. There we go. Wow. That's incredible. This really looks nice. I am impressed. Even with all this light, they shine right out. Go ahead and put this back together. This one's a little tricky, so I'm going to put this one in first. Just like that. There we go. Just going to get them started. And before I go any further, I'm going to go ahead and remove the heater controls and see if I can replace that one as well. Alright, yep, we got one right there. And I believe that is it. Let's go ahead and put that back in. Okay, well there it is. It's really hard to really show this off and to really appreciate how bright they are, but they're perfect. I really like them a lot. I'll get a shot, put the camera in the back here and turn the lights out so you can try to get a shot here. So You know, I think they cost me like 25 bucks for a bag of these little LEDs, and they're well worth it. So just replacing all the incandescent ones. So I hope you enjoyed this. I mean, if you've got a vehicle that's got the old incandescent bulbs in them, go ahead and replace them with the LEDs. This particular vehicle wasn't a big deal, as you can see, on the 89 Jeep Wrangler. Might be a little bit more difficult on some other vehicles. So, well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.